Hello, a very good morning to you, depending on where you are watching this video from. In this very short video, we are going to learn the step-by-step process in opening an account with Hotforex. Okay, step-by-step process in opening an account with Hotforex. So first of all, you would have received a link from either me or you can check the comment section to get the link, right? So you might have gotten a link from me, and you just click on the link it will take you to a page where you can actually register an account with Hotforex. So this is Ghana, right? My phone number 0247016689. Yeah, cool. Okay, so I'm entering my details, email address, helpers of your dream, date of birth, 18th August 1992. Right, I've read and accept the privacy policy, so you can actually come back and read this later. Then you simply answer this. 6 plus 4 is 10. Then you continue with the process. So I've just finished entering my details, so I'm going to register. So I'm waiting on it for it to register real quick. Right, so you can see registration successful. An activation link has been sent to helpers of your dreams. Your email address. Open the email and click on the activation link to get started. Open email. You may need to check your. So I'm going to get this done. You can see that I have the email address right here. I'm going to quickly open it, and I'll activate my account. So once you receive it, quickly check your email to activate your account. So this is the first step. Now once you are done, it brings you to this interface. If you are using an Android phone, you continue with mobile app. But if you are using an iPhone or a tablet, any other thing apart from Android phone, Android mobile, you actually continue with website, okay, so that you can continue the process. So I'm using an Android phone, so I'm going to continue with mobile app. So it will take me to Play Store, right? Because I have this app downloaded already on my phone, so it is simply logging me into the account. So you see, you have successfully logged in, so it has logged me into my account with Hotforex. Now what is next? Simply I have to complete your registration. You see, when I go to the menu, okay, when I go to the menu, you see my HF, complete registration. So you want to come here and continue to complete registration, right? Continue. You fill in all this and make sure that you'll be required to verify your account using your national identity card. Okay, I recommend passport. If you have passport, you can use it. If you have a Ghana card or your national identity card, you can use it. And pay attention to the address that you provide. The address you provide should be the same as the address that is on the document that you will use to activate your account. You'll be required to verify your account. So in verification process, you'll be required to verify your address, physical address. So the address you are providing here should be the same. As example, your bank statement. If you are going to use your bank statement, you should provide the same address that is on the bank. If you are going to use utility bills like it prepaid and all those things, the same address that is on it must actually be the one you enter here. Please, if you have not subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button whilst we continue the process. Thank you very much. Now you continue, you fill in all these let me try country, Ghana. So this is Ghana, right? I've just selected Ghana, and this account is actually for my sister. So my sister is Pokwasi, Accra, address line city, Accra state or Greater Accra region, Greater Accra, zip code 00233, then Ghana, then USD. So you save and continue, right? Save and continue. It is saving, as you can see, it is saving. So what is the next process? So you quickly fill in this form, estimated net. All right, let me just choose this and let's go. Education, undergraduate, employment status, student, source of funds, savings, beginner. Yes, just choose beginner, right? Beginner. Have you ever convicted? No. Have you ever? No. Are you a politically exposed person? If you are, you can actually state yes. Are you a US? No, not. By clicking this, then we continue the process. So you see, I've just completed. Then the next stage is to upload my document, right? So the next stage is to upload my document, and I don't have my card with me right here, so I'm going to skip this and do it later. But this is the next step. So you quickly upload your passport, passport, especially if you have driver's license, any of them, so it should be a valid one. And then you also upload your both sides. Then you continue proof of address. Then you come and upload it also here. Then you upload document. Once you upload document, you'll receive an email, and you just wait for them to verify your account. If they reply you, if it is rejected, you simply get back to me and I'll be able to help you to do what you need to do for your account to be activated, right? So this is simply the various steps that are involved in creating an account with Hotforex. Okay, so I'm not going to do this now, but I'm going to skip this. I've already done a video on how you can actually create a demo account, so you watch that video to continue with the process. You come to demo, you go to demo. If it's a live account, we'll get there. We'll actually get to live account. Demo, you open demo, and then you choose demo account. Leverage is this, choose amount, choose 10,000, 5,000. Then you click this, you open a demo account on MT4, right? So the details have been sent, and these are the details that I'll use to actually be able to trade. Let me take a screenshot of it. Let me take a screenshot real quick. So basically, this is the step-by-step process. When you go into your MetaTrader, you use these details, the account number, and then your trading account password to log in. And you also pay attention to the server. So you search for HF Markets SV demo, right? So it's really very important. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please, again, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Help us to actually be able to do more videos like this to help you get more information. Thank you very much, and I wish you a successful trading experience. Thank you for watching. If you want to share this video with your friends and families, anyone who wants to actually learn, you can actually share this with them for them to also register an account. And like I said, if you are new to this, you want to quickly check the comment section for the link that you will use to register the account with Hotforex. Okay, thank you very much. See you on the top.